this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford Focus Titanium. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a little spoiler here as well. We got mud flaps on the rear and front, heated door mirrors with turn light indicated mirrors. You also get remote start with this vehicle. And moving to front, we get a nice hood deflector and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered trunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads. You got your Sony sound system back here. Can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. And to close, you just close it regularly. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, some storage in the door. We do get some little storage there, as well as you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We have a manual passenger seat, plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, trunk, parking brake all on your, parking brake's right there, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 134,171 kilometers. Taking a look at our steering wheel now, we got this leather-up steering wheel. You got your volume, play back, play forward, phone, voice, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through. Trip 1, 2's in there as well. Just right there, information, settings, all that jazz. Parking brake, cup holders, you got your gear select with your speeds, you got your 12-volt heated steering wheel, storage here with a USB, got your center console with more storage, you got another 12-volt down there, and USB. Dual climate up front with heated front seats, you got sync, a Sony sound system, you got your CD, hazards, tune, playback, play forward, volume, all right there, storage below. And above me, we have our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Looking here, we have our audio compass phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, CD. We got our phone controls, your apps, settings, such as your Bluetooth, mobile apps, general, assist, voice control, Android Auto. And we do get ambient lighting, where we can change the lighting in the car to those fun colors. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8049A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.